Diono is famously known for its sleek and slim car seats that free up enough room that you could fit 3 of them in your backseat. Diono has recently remodeled some of their car seats to be better suited to seat children in the rear-facing position longer. 2 of these remodeled car seats I'll be reviewing in this guide. The Diono Radian 3RX vs Radian 3R. The Radian 3RX is an all-in-one car seat with a 10-year lifespan that's designed to keep your child seated comfortably in the rear-facing position. Similar to the Radian 3RX, the Radian 3R is an all-in-one that's designed to better accommodate children in the rear-facing position and keep them seated that way longer. In this video, I'll review both of these models by comparing and contrasting the key differences and similarities that set them apart. I'll also provide a thorough breakdown of each car seat's features, pros, and cons. Afterwards, I'll give you my recommendation on which of these seats will work best for you. Major similarities between Diono Radian 3RX vs Diono. One major similarity between the Radian 3RX and the Radian 3R is that they're both all-in-one car seats with a maximum weight limit of 120 pounds. In addition to that, both of these car seats are designed to keep your child seated in the rear-facing position longer as recommended by the NHTSA. In regards to safety, both of these models offer superior side impact protection that's formed by Diono's famous deep aluminum sidewalls that are padded with energy-absorbing EPS foam. They're also engineered with a reinforced steel core that's made from automotive-grade steel to drastically improve your car seat's strength and stability. The harness for the Radian 3XR and Radian 3R includes 5 harness heights and an easily adjustable headrest that grows as your child does. As a bonus, the harness can be easily adjusted without uninstalling your car seat to rethread it, saving you time and energy. Another notable similarity between the Radian 3RX and Radian 3R is that they both come with super LiteClik connectors to make installation quicker, easier, and safe. The connectors feature an audible click indicator that alerts you when you've installed the car seat correctly and securely. Furthermore, both of these car seats have a slim and sleek design that frees up enough room in your backseat that you could install 3 of them without robbing other passengers of their space and comfort. They also have a portable design that gives them the ability to fold flat so that they're easy to store in tight spaces such as overhead compartments. That being said, the Radian 3RX and Radian 3R are FAA approved and certified for aircraft use. Lastly, both of these models allow you to expand the width of the seat to maximize leg support and comfort as your child grows. They also have a 10-year lifespan, so they're the only car seats you'll ever need. Major differences between Diono Radian 3RX vs Diono Radian. The only difference between the Radian 3RX and Radian 3R is that the 3RX is equipped with a removable head support infant. This infant insert provides added cocoon comfort and cushion support and can be removed when your child outgrows it. The 2020 Radian 3RX is a remastered version of the Radian 3RX. It's designed to be more suitable to seat children in the rear-facing position longer. While that's what the Radian 3RX is designed for, what sets it apart from the rest is the removable infant insert and breathable fabrics that provide cushion comfort and wicks away moisture. The Radian 3RX is a high-quality device that saves space, time, and money since it's the only car seat you'll need.